Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add a frame to your image in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we're going to open the application. After that we need to select an image, so we're going to click on the plus icon like so. Then we are going to select our preferred image, and then we're going to click on Tools at the bottom of our screen, scroll down, and then Frames. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of pre-made frames like so. I'm going to select one of them. If you selected one of them, but you want to change it a little bit, you can either shuffle it, so it's going to change it a little bit. This shuffle is available with every frame, like so. And if we choose our favorite, we can increase or decrease the width of the frame, like so. I'm going to increase it. And if you want to compare it to our original photo, we can do that on the upper right corner, like so. If we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X icon on the bottom left corner, over here, or we can apply those changes with the check mark over here. I'm going to apply them, of course. And if we want to save our image, we need to click on Export. It's going to show us 4 options: Share, which we share it to our friends on our preferred platform; Save, which will save our image; Export will also save our image, but it will adjust it to what we set it in the settings menu. And Export As will save our image to our preferred folder. I'm going to select Save. Here I can view our image. I'm going to select Gallery, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.